How do India's educational institutions stack up? Who stands where and who doesn't quite make the cut? Well, the answers, arguably, the answers are here after the first of its kind survey commissioned by the government. There are a few surprises. Interestingly, JNU and Hyderabad Central University, which have been at the center of the nationalism debate, are ranked rather highly. It's hackles on both sides of the divide.
JNU is one of the best universities in the country, as is the Hyderabad University. This according to a government survey that ranked various colleges and universities in India.
अगर वो रैंकिंग भी करें उसमें भी शामिल हों और साथ ही अगर कॉलेजेस जिस प्रकार से मैंने अपने भाषण में कहा अगर वो रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क में आए तो उनको ऑटोनॉमी देने की भी बात हो रही है.
दिस इज नॉट न्यू थिंग एंड ऑटोनॉमी को लेकर के मैं कैटेगोरिकली कहना चाहता हूँ. दिस इज वेरी रिडिकुलस दैट in one hand MHRD is attacking on our autonomy and another hand they are making कि वो एक स्टैंडर्ड ले रहे हैं ऑटोनॉमी को और JNU को पहले नंबर पे रख रहे हैं. So it is shocking for us.
Here are the top 5 universities according to the government. Number 1 is Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Number 2, Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai. Number 3, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. At number 4, University of Hyderabad. And number 5 is Tezpur University, Assam. All 122 centrally funded institutes participated and the framework was decided into primarily divided into 2 basic categories. Category A had institutes which had greater academic autonomy and focus on student research. Category B had more institutes and colleges affiliated to the university and also greater focus on teaching. These colleges had the option of applying in either one or both the categories. So, if you want to be an engineer, these are the colleges to look at. At number 3 is Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. The second place is with Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. And number 1 is the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras.
The faculty here are really brilliant. I mean, the discussions we have with them, it's really enlightening.
Right.
The HRD list ranks nearly 3,500 institutions, and the ministry claims that the database used for the survey has been validated through international databases like Scopus Web of Science. With Sam Daniel in Chennai, in New Delhi, I'm Sonal Mehrotra for NDTV.